This is a co-challenge for white. Black's eye space here is really nice, and it's hard to find any weakness. If white just tries on the outside like this, then this will be a straight 4 shape, and white will fail. If white plays here, then black can play this move, and this will be a living shape here. Number 3 cannot escape. And if white plays on the inside, it also doesn't work, right? Because number 1 will become a real eye. This also doesn't work. So black is very resilient here. So white's correct sequence is actually this bend. Now black cannot pull back and play this, because now this will be a fake eye. That's not okay for black. So black's number 2 must be here. And the next move is really key, right? If you connect here, then of course black will be able to live at number 4 very easily. But the next move is good because it keeps up the pressure on black. And that's right here. This is Atari. And now black needs to be careful. If black connects here, black will be dead after this move. Now, if black goes here, of course, 5 and 7 will kill the straight 4 shape. If black plays here, now white can actually throw in at number 7 and at number 9. And black cannot play here. Its liberties are too tight. And this will become a fake high. That's why black will be dead if it plays at number 4. So black's number 4 must capture this stone. And now white can play this double Atari. Black cannot connect on the right side because this way black will be dead. Black can only connect on the left side. And now white can capture. And this is the code that we're looking for in this problem. So how does it play out? White captures first. If white wins, white can either connect here or capture here. Either is fine. But eventually white will probably have to connect here. And this will be a straight 3 shape. So this is already dead. If black manages to capture back and wins, this will be a straight 4 shape. But of course, I forgot to mention that there is a local co-threat for black. And that is right here, right? You need to be careful. It's not here. If you play here, black is already dead. Both of these are fake eyes. And black is dead after a straight 3 shape. But playing here works. This guarantees 1 real eye, and white will have to throw in here. Otherwise, black can make a living shape at number 16. White has to play here. This is contested, and black can capture back. So black does have 1 local co-threat at number 14, even though white captures first. So these are all the things you need to see about this code. And 1, 3, 5 is the only sequence that white can successfully start the code. It's a pretty neat problem, and I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.